So good morning to all. I am Kamaraj, Honorary Director of Kamaraj IAS Academy, and I am happy to introduce Mr. Prabhu Shankar, Dr. Prabhu Shankar. So who is an IAS officer, and I always used to say he is a doctor by profession and civil servant by passion, and he is presently an executive director of Chennai Metro Water, and he has cleared the IAS exam in 2012-13 batch with All India 7th rank. Right? So let me hear what Prabhu Shankar says. Yeah.
Good morning, I am Prabhu Shankar. I am an officer of Tamil Nadu Cadre, 2013 batch. So I got the All India 7th rank, taking optional subjects Geography and Political Science. And I had a very good score in the mains exam in Political Science. And if there's one person I really have to credit my success, it is Kamaraj sir, who's been my mentor and guide,
Thank you.
who has been really instrumental in actually teaching me the basics of political science. Because as a medical graduate, in fact a postgraduate in community medicine, the only thing I had was, I just knew political science in the syllabus, but it was sir who actually broke it down into small pieces which we could actually relish and enjoy the subject. So that is where I actually excelled, and I could crack the civil service examination. Because if you choose an optional subject which you really cannot handle, or which is not really in your grasp, you really cannot crack the civil service examination. Kamaraj sir made the subject look simple by his lucid style of teaching and a very simplified approach to the subject, and that really helped me grasp the basics. And I just built on it slightly, and I got a very good score. And because political science also has overlaps, there's a lot of subjects which overlap political science and general studies. Approaching the various papers in general studies also was very easier for me. So that way, sir has been very instrumental in my success, and what I am now, I owe a lot to Kamaraj sir.
That's social modesty. Thank you, Prabhu Shankar.
Thank you. So I wish all the UPSC aspirants good luck and the best of all, best in all that you do. I really wish the students of Kamaraj IAS Academy all the best. In fact, it is you don't get to be a part of an institution which is run by the most admired and the most revered leaders of our country, no lesser than the great Bharat Ratna Thiru Kamaraj Ayya. And to have a mentor in his grandson is not everybody gets. I've been privileged. I hope you also have that privilege, and you are having that privilege. Let us build on the ideals and the wonderful values put forth by that great man, and let us all be building blocks for this nation, and let us do our bit for nation building. All the best.
Thank you.